Once there was a lion in a forest. He was very cruel and rash. He used to kill a large number of animals every day. Though he needed only one for his food. One day they held a meeting to discuss the problem. At last, it was decided that one animal should go to the lion as his daily food. Next day, a body of animals went to see the lion to inform him of their decision. Reaching the den, the leader of the animals said,
"Your Majesty, we have come with a humble request. Kindly hear us. We are your humble subjects."
What's your plan for my hunger?
Excuse me, sir. The way you are killing us is dangerous for us both. If this goes on, no animal will be left in the forest soon. Whom will you hunt for the food then?
What do you want then?
We suggest that your Majesty should stay at your den. We shall send one animal daily in the morning as your food.
All right, I agree to your plan. But if you fail to send one animal daily, I will be forced to do hunting again.
So, one animal went to the lion's den every day to become his food. One day, it was the turn of a wise and clever hare to go to the lion. He was thinking hard of some plan. Suddenly, his eyes fell on an old well by the wayside. His wit worked, and at once an idea flashed across his mind. When the hare reached the lion's den, it was fairly late, so the lion thundered,
You little fool! Why are you so late? I am hungry.
Your Majesty, I am not to blame at all. How could I dare to be late? I had started well in time, but on the way, I was stopped by a lion who lives in an old well just by the wayside. He wanted to eat me up. When I mentioned your name to him, he said foul words for you.
The lion was mad in anger to hear of another lion and gave out a loud roar.
Some beast is there, and he looks like me. Lead me to that beast, and I will see how dare he harm my subjects.
Yes, my lord. He let me come to you after he had taken a promise for me to return to him. I request you to go and punish him.
Take me to that timid beast. Show me the way. I really want to eat him. I will teach him the lesson. Then I shall eat you.
So the clever hare led the lion to the old well which he had seen by the wayside when he was coming to the lion. Reaching there, he said,
The beast lives there inside that well. I am very afraid to face him.
The lion rushed to the well and peeped inside it. He took his own reflection for another lion. Roaring even more loudly, into the well jumped the furious lion. His head crushed against the wall of the well, and he fell into the water to be drowned. The hare was elected to be the leader of the animals of the forest. So bear in mind that wisdom is far more powerful than strength. It always beats strength whenever there is a clash between the two.